everyone and welcome back to my channel. Halloween is just around the corner and you know what that means. It's time for some spooky and sweet treats. Today I'm going to show you how to transform a simple lollipop into adorable Halloween masterpiece. We'll be using some fun and easy to find materials like paper and pipe cleaners and tissues to create 5 different designs. A cute spider, 3 little ghosts, and a happy pumpkin lollipop. These are perfect for party favors, trick-or-treaters, or just a fun afternoon craft. So grab your lollipops and let's get started. Let's first start with our spider lollipop. So we're going to take 2 pipe cleaners and we are going to cut them in half like this. Take a scissor and cut both of them in half. Then I'm going to take my lollipop and do this. So wrap this around, fold it once and fold it twice. So these are going to be the spider's legs, and we're just gonna make sure that both ends are similar in length. And now let's wrap the rest of them. There, we have the 8 legs, and we are going to bend the end of each leg downwards. And now let's take our wiggly eyes and put them near the end of the lollipop. There, so that is our first spider lollipop. I'm gonna put it here, and now let's work on the rest. So I'm gonna take a marker paper and I'm going to fold it in half. So this is a size A4, and let's fold it in half. Now let's take a lollipop just to measure how big our ghost should be. So I'm going to take my marker, and so I want you to think about how big the ghost should be, because you know, we all have different sizes of lollipops. So if your lollipop is bigger, then you want to take it, put it on your paper, and you're gonna want to draw a big circle around it. Okay, so I'm going to draw a ghost, and I'm going to start off here. And I'm going to draw the hands. And finally, bring this line down. Okay, so and then now we're gonna leave an opening for the stick to go through. So I'm gonna draw a tiny, like half circle at the end. There. And now let's draw the other side of the ghost. I'm just gonna keep it simple. Draw 2 hands, bring it back, and bring it down. Like that. There. And now I'm going to draw like a circle, maybe a little bit towards like the tummy of the ghost, so maybe around here. So I'm gonna first draw the eyes first. 2 ovals and shade them in. Oh, one is bigger than the other one, isn't it? Let me draw this one to be bigger. There, and now the circle that I'm going to draw will be slightly smaller than this one, so it won't fall out. So it's going to be There. Now we're going to use a scissor to cut out the opening right there. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I will fold this right here. So that's the center of the circle. And I'm just gonna use a scissor to make an opening right in the middle. There. And then I am going to use a scissor to cut out the circle opening. There, and now let's cut the ghost out. So I'm just gonna leave a little white space outside of the black curves that I drew. I'm gonna carefully cut out this ghost. Let's see if it fits. So open this and insert it through the center of the opening right there and close. So see what I mentioned about the ghost needs to be like big enough for your lollipop, because if it's not big enough, then it's going to be hard for you to close the two sides of the paper. So now we're going to take our glue dots. So I have these amazing glue dots that are very simple to use. I just take this off and put it on the inside of the ghost and peel this film off. There. And let's do a few others on each side. There. So that is our ghost lollipop. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one right here, and let's continue with our next one. So our next one is going to be, we need another paper, so another A4 marker paper. And again, I'm going to fold it in the middle. And now this time, I'm going to draw a pumpkin. So I'm gonna use my lollipop as a reference to think how big my pumpkin should be. So this will be my pumpkin's nose actually. So then my pumpkin's face needs to be bigger, right? So here, let's draw a big curved line. So that is my pumpkin's face. Okay, and so this nose will be right in the middle, like that. Perfect. And I'm going to draw two triangles on each side of the nose and shade them in. Okay, and now let's draw the mouth. So I'm just going to draw something that is very easy, but feel free to make this your own by creating your own jack-o'-lantern. There, fits perfect. So I'm going to add a few more details. At the bottom of the head of the pumpkin, I'm going to draw two angle lines down. Okay, and then now I'm going to draw a pair of bat wings. So I'm going to draw an angle line that goes out, comes back down. Same on the other side, goes out, comes back down. And then from there, let's draw this kind of little triangle like that. just to add some spooky feature. And now I'm going to shade this part in black as well. There, so now let's cut the opening right in the center. Let's just cut a small opening at the bottom for the stick to go through. There. Let's try it out. It's perfect. So now let's add the glue dots to seal this off. There, we made another one. Okay, so the key is that you're gonna make sure the drawing is big enough for the size of your lollipop. Otherwise, it's not gonna snap together nicely. Okay, so make sure you leave enough space from the center of your lollipop to the edge of the paper. All right, cool. Okay, so now let's draw another one. So for this one, we're going to ask the ghost to hold this lollipop in the hands. So right there, I'm going to draw the head of the ghost. So he's gonna hold the lollipop like this, and I'm just gonna close it off right there. And draw the eyes. One hand. Okay, so it's going to come through here, and that's the other hand. I'm going to draw a cute smile. Here. So now let's cut this one. Alright, so I'm gonna cut an opening here. Fold it right there. And cut an opening for the lollipop to go through. There, so that's our cute ghost holding a lollipop for you. We're almost done. So the last one is really simple. I have one more lollipop left, and I'm going to take a tissue, okay? And I'm going to wrap this lollipop in the tissue like this, okay? I cut a small piece of pipe cleaner, and I'm just gonna wrap this around here. Okay, so that's my cute ghost lollipop, and I'm going to use black markers to draw the eyes and a mouth. There, we did it. So these are my 5 ideas how to decorate your Halloween lollipops. I'm really excited to show my son when he comes home today. I hope you guys enjoyed making these with me today. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.